Hey guys, this is Drew Gallagher, and today I'm going to show you how you can improve your website's SEO with Google's SEO tools, so stay tuned. So Google has a ton of different tools to help you with SEO, and one tool that's really good is Web.dev. So Web.dev is this site where you can type in a URL, you can audit your website's performance and its SEO attributes. So I'm going to show you how to use this today. So all I did was type in Web.dev, and this site came up. And what you can do is click test my site, and I'm going to test a site like Walgreens.com just because that's the first thing I can think of. So I'm going to run an audit, and it has 4 different categories: so performance, accessibility, best practices, and SEO. And the scores are from 0 to 100. So let's see what it comes up with. These are the 4 different scores that came up for Walgreens.com. So it took the audit a while actually because its performance isn't very good. It doesn't have a good speed index. It takes a while to paint the page. It takes a while for the site to be interactive. The site performance as a whole is not very good. So Walgreens, if you're seeing this, maybe you want to check out your website. Not to pick on you, but there's tons of sites that have poor performance scores. It's just something that everybody can improve on. And it's probably just because they have a ton on their homepage, tons of different products and links, and it takes a while for it to load. So that's why it's good to create concise, fast-loading pages with optimized images. And it will give you accessibility and best practices scores and SEO. This video is focusing on the SEO portion. So like, if we want to see what the SEO issues are, which they have pretty good SEO, we can scroll down here, and it's got like the impact and the category, the audit, and then a guide for how to fix it. So we can find different categories here. So we could find SEO, and there's 2 issues for SEO. So the links do not have descriptive text, and image elements do not have alt attributes. So if we don't know what these things are, we can see what they are and how to fix them. So if I click this link, links do not have descriptive text. It says link text is a clickable word or phrase. It conveys the target, and the search engine can understand it better when it's clear. So if you have a link that has generic text like click here, click this, go here, this, all like very generic, very high level, ambiguous text, it's not really describing what the website is, so you shouldn't put that in your hyperlink text within the A tag. So if you're Walgreens.com, let's say you have a page for pharmaceutical information or contact us, you would put contact us, or you would put like shop online. That way it's describing what it's doing. And it gives you an example. This is like replace generic phrases like click here and learn more with specific descriptions. So it's saying like see all our basketball videos, click here. So that's more specific. Click here doesn't say like where the hyperlink takes users, but if you put something like basketball videos in the link, it's a lot better. And notice that you could put the description up here, right? But if it's not actually in the A tag, it's still going to flag it. So you want to make sure the actual part that you're linking to is inside of this A tag. You want to make sure that your actual hyperlink, this portion, has what you're talking about, what's relevant. And then you can look at best practices like stay on topic, don't use the URLs, don't use the page's URL as the link description, stuff like that. So there's a lot of resources just from this one guide. If we go back and we take a look at the second guide for image elements do not have alt attributes, we can read about that. Basically, an alt attribute describes an image and what it is and what it's used for, and you can just add this in your images. A lot of sites like WordPress, you can just have like an alternative field when you create or upload an image, and you can just enter it in. I use a site called DropFunnels, which is super cool, and it makes it super easy to add in stuff like alt tags. If you want to learn how to use DropFunnels to build your websites, your blogs, and your funnels super easily and have really great SEO, I'll link down in the description for DropFunnels. It's a great site. So you can add these alt descriptions, and you don't want to leave it out. So like, for example, if you have an image, audits set up in Chrome DevTools. So like for Walgreens, maybe they have an image that is of like their logo. You just put Walgreens logo as the alt. That's a good example. If it's just like a decoration, like a background or like a gradient or something that isn't really that important, maybe even a generic logo, if that's the case, that it's not like a product or something, you could just put like alt and put like a blank string here because it's not that important. And it tells you how to write effective alt text and some different things for accessibility. If you're somebody that uses a screen reader, or you've tested it because you have a disability or you know somebody that has a disability, and you've ever seen these descriptions, if you don't have the descriptions when the image loads, like, the user can't use the website. It's completely unusable. So it makes it extremely hard for people with issues like that. So what you want to do is always add this alt text. It'll help you do better with crawling. It will help people understand your website, and it will just improve the experience. So this tool is free. It's got a lot of different goodies here, and it can really help you improve your website performance and your funnel performance. If you want to learn how to use SEO to make 6 to 7 figures online, then click the link in my description. I will outline that for you. And if you have any questions about SEO, hit me up and I'd be happy to answer them. You can say something in the comments. If you liked this video, hit that like button. I really appreciate it. And click the subscribe button because I have a lot of content to offer to you guys. Very valuable content that will help you boost your business performance, get you sales, and get you more leads. Thank you so much for listening. Peace out. Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you liked the content in this video and want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the little bell icon and turn on all notifications so when I come out with new content, you'll be notified.